What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing kind of like a room tour. I haven't really been posting much lately, and I mean I can't really post much considering we're in this quarantine because of the coronavirus, so I thought I just might as well make a video while I'm home, so here we go. So here we have the basement. Got some nice LED strips running all the way along the ceiling when you come down this hallway. Also have some more RGB stuff. This is where it really begins. Alright, well, this is my room. I'm going to do a little walkthrough of it, and I'm also going to change these RGB lights because I already know it's going to get pretty annoying after a while, so let me switch real quick. Alright, that's better. So when you first walk into my room, of course, got the bed right here, got my stickered out mini fridge. Come over here, got my PC set up. If you guys remember my old video where I did my low budget PC build, I think that was a couple months ago. Bruh. But I pretty much upgraded a lot of stuff here, so I'm just gonna run down really quick what I got. Mousepad, HyperX. I have two mouses. I have the Logitech G502, which I still had from my old video. I have the Logitech G703. Then I have the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. Missing a key there. This right here is broken and missing a keycap there. One thing I don't like about this keyboard is that the keycaps come off really easily. Have the Yeti Nano mic. I had the Blue Yeti, but I ended up giving the Yeti to my brother. And here I have a 60 hertz monitor. This is just some like cheap one. Then right here I have my 144 hertz monitor. I had a second one before. The one before this, I had my phone cord. Boring. But here's my PC. I'll open it up for you guys and tell you guys the specs. Okay, so in my PC, for the motherboard, I have a B450. For the CPU, I have the Ryzen 5 3600. And this right here, this is the stock cooler for the Ryzen 7. One of my friends gave it to me because he wasn't going to use it. Then for the graphics card, I have the GTX 1060 Founders Edition. Power supply, I have the Corsair CX750M, 8GB of DDR4 RAM. I do have more RAM coming in. It should be here either tomorrow or the day after. So yeah, then I'm going to have 16. So if you come over here, you got my Juice WRLD banner. You guys don't know, I'm a really big Juice WRLD fan. Been a fan of him for a while. Right here I have my TV. I have it hooked up to my Xbox. I also have a Roku, which I prefer to use the Roku because I don't really play games on my Xbox too much anymore. Then down here I have my shoe rack. I have more shoes in my closet, but none of them are that interesting, so I don't have them out. I'm missing one shoe right here. That's because I'm rocking them right now. Nike 77 Blazers. I love these shoes. I recently did an unboxing on them, and yeah, I've been rocking them a lot lately. But I do have more shoes coming in. I did order a pair of Air Max 97s. Those should be in a couple of days. I would assume probably by my birthday, which is on April 2nd. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I have a bunch of like skateboarding stuff. You know we gotta rock the Bikini Bottom posters. These are just a bunch of magazine cutouts from magazines that I have. Come over here. Got a Vans box, got some more cutouts. Right here I got some poster that I've had for a long time. Right here, this is a bag that I got from when I went to Australia. My hat, picked up from Australia. I'll throw it on for you guys real quick. I don't know, I think it looks pretty sick. Kind of cool to bring something back from Australia, but you know. Come over here, got my Blazers box, and then on top I have my polo hat. Underneath it I have my speaker. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you turn on post notifications. And I do have 2 more videos coming out pretty soon. They're both going to be unboxings, but... Alright, I have to redo the outro because apparently it didn't work last time. And I just watched the footage back and my hair was messed up the entire time. So now I got a hat on. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for those 2 upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.